Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to buy crypto on your Trust Wallet. First of all, open your Trust Wallet application on your phone. Once the app is opened, you will see multiple options. You have to select buy. From here, you will see so many networks, for example, Bitcoin, Ethereum, or if you want to buy any Bitcoin or any like cryptocurrency, you can select any of them. For example, I will select Ethereum. Now, you have to enter the amount of dollars that you want to pay in order to get access to the Ethereum or any other cryptocurrency. For example, if I spend $150, I will get 0.058218 Ethereum. I will select pay with credit card, and there are multiple options. You can either pay with credit card, you can either use your digital wallet or Google Pay, or you can use other providers. You will see the providers here, from which you are going to buy the Ethereum. So I will go back and I will select buy with credit card. Now it will open in my browser. Now from here, you have to select buy now. You have to enter your email address. From here, you have to enter your name, Satoshi Nakamoto, or you can enter any of the name. You have to provide your phone number. You have to enter your date of birth. You have to click on continue. You have to follow the instructions. And after that, after 4 steps of verification, you have successfully bought crypto on your Trust Wallet. So if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.